Welcome back to Shaving Down Under and another unboxing video. Not sure where this one's originated from, but I believe it's the States. Looks like the easiest point of entry here is the side of the box. Slight idea I know what this is, but I'm not fully confident. What's inside the box? Big box. Something so slim. We go safe with the scissors. And here we go. That's smaller than I thought. But it's cool. I wanted to get a set of these up. I won't shave with these, but I do enjoy my horse racing, and because of that I've always liked the design of these 20 grand blades. So it's the first box opened. Here is box number 2. Looks in bizarre condition. Starting to annoy me. This is going to be an easy one to get into. I've done a interesting job with this one. What have we got here? Okay. Yeah, I can't remember buying this. Maybe it's a gift. Ooh. Some of you will find, one or two of you might find this interesting. I know my wife will. So they've just thrown this in as a gift. Little synthetic brush. Yeah, a little cheapy. Might just give that away to someone. I doubt very much I'll be using it. Let's just put it to one side. So you're the one. I'll only open one of these because I'll let my missus open up the rest. I just saw these. They look pretty cool. I knew my partner would really like them. These screwed on. Yeah. So just candles. But they look pretty cool. I think she'll get into them. That smells nice. Cinnamon and spice. Okay. We'll leave the rest because you probably aren't overtly interested. Since this is a shaving channel and not a candle channel. But this is what I did order from them. And this is a shaving soap. That's their name, Crystal Candle Creations. Shaving soap. Pretty basic sort of design, and there it is. Ew. So I'll be interested to see what this is all about. I think I got it pretty cheap, so. Interesting scent to it. Anyway, so there's a soap that'll bob up in the future. Now, in the porn game, there's the money shot. And I'm not going to explain it any further than that. You either know what I mean or you don't. But this here is the money shot. And this is what will make this video. Very well packaged. From a fellow razor hunter. Need to, what's holding that? Nothing. Okay. One side. One side. Right, yeah. Easy to fingerprint. So there we have, you can see the camera there. Let's open it up. Oh yeah. There we go. Look at that bad boy. Dust. I can really clean that up. So there's one blade left in that dispenser. Here is the razor. Oh, nice. Oh, I wish you people could feel what this feels like, opening and closing the doors. That is super smooth. Just get a tissue. Okay, so I've just wiped out some American dust that's made its way to Australia. So you can feel that's, I don't know if that's Bakelite or not, but it's a hard plastic. And there we have it. That is beautiful. Absolutely 100% beautiful. Now let's open these up. Oh, these are way smaller than I thought. I just had a peek in there. So this is a Gillette serial number there. It's actually easier to read it on the camera than in real life. Made in the USA. So this is a sterling silver Gillette razor. Now, there's been a couple of these come on the market recently and I missed out. But I got this off of a fellow collector. Let's have a look at the case. Here is the case. So that's the palm of my hand. I'm not a tall fella at all. In fact, you can compare how big that case is. But it's a beautiful little travel case. It should clean up nicely. how to open. There we go. It's amazing how they got these to fold down so well. Oh, Gillette blade in there. So I wonder how this did fit in there. It goes down. One would think it would be like that. There you have it. A little sterling silver Gillette Traveller. Bit bourgeois. Probably cost a fair bit back in the day. I reckon this top will clean up nicely too. I'm looking forward to clean up. I reckon I'm going to shave with this very soon. So keep an eye on the channel. Really interested to check it out. Okay. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you soon in another unboxing or another shave video. Take care. Ciao for now.